at work and you suddenly find yourself worried about that aging relative you interacted with over Thanksgiving. I get it. Here's what's going on. You noticed changes, but you're not a professional. You don't know if they just need support at home, if it's time to talk about assisted living facility, or if it was just a tired grandma. Let me give you two healthcare survival kit tips. Tip number one, don't quiz grandma. When you interact with that aging parent or grandparent or family member, when you see them again at Christmas, do not quiz them. It only makes them stressed out and it irritates everybody. Don't do that. Tip number two, ask that person, hey, what interests you these days? What do you enjoy doing? And then stop talking and listen carefully. Listen for things that they used to do that they don't mention anymore. Why is that? Have they stopped doing things altogether? Do they just say, I don't enjoy anything? Those are your red flags that somebody, a professional, needs to dig deeper. Maybe they need a neuropsychiatric evaluation. Maybe they just need a good physical evaluation. Or maybe it is time, while you're doing those things, to talk about putting supports in place at home. My name is Kim Pfaff. I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. We have been so honored every time someone has selected us to help place their aging family member either in an assisted living center, a skilled nursing facility, or a memory care unit. If you've got these questions, reach out to us at the link in the bio, and we'd be happy to meet with you. Thanks so much.